Hi and welcome to No Second Season. It's New Year's Eve here in Australia and today I am packing up my bike packing gear because I'm going to leave tomorrow on a little jaunt for a few days. So here's all my stuff. I've just got everything out. I've not actually packed it up yet. I'm going to try and get rid of some of it because I think I've got too much. These are my clothes. I usually have them vacuum sealed so they squash down, but the vacuum seal bag has actually broken. So that isn't going to work. This is the food I'm planning to take. Now I will have to compromise on that as well. This is my little cool bag. In that I'll put a bottle of frozen water if I can get some water to freeze because I don't have a freezer. I've just got a little compartment on the fridge and it's not working. I've got the tyre sealant and chain lube, my water filtering kit and spare pouch. Got some washing things, spare batteries, my hiking umbrella. That's one of the gorilla cages that goes on the fork. I've got my Allen keys, a pump and a suspension pump. Now I'm thinking I might leave the suspension pump behind. That would be one thing I can get rid of. I've never needed it so far. My suspension is air filled, front and rear by the way. This is my tent. Now this will compress up more, it's just expanded over time because it's been sitting for a while. Got my cooking pot that I had trouble with last time. I'm hoping now I've used it a bit, it will be better. And in there is my cup and bowl. This is my rucksack. Now I won't be taking my laptop, so it will be a little bit lighter than usual, which is good. I have some sun cream and some bug spray and the other fork cage. I have a mozzie head net and a poncho for the rain and a towel. There's some GoPro fittings in there, spare bungees and a snake bandage. Not worth going without that, just in case. Got a first aid kit and a rain jacket. Now this is my emergency kit. It's actually quite heavy. I'd guess it's about a kilo at least. In there are cable ties and patches and tyre plugs and all sorts of little things that I might need should I have a disaster. I might try and rationalise that a little bit. Got a canister of gas and my old stove. I've got two 1.5 litre bottles of water. One I might carry empty, I'm not sure yet. And this litre goes on the bike. This is my pillow. This is my Sea to Summit Ember EBIII quilt. Now it will squash up more. It's been lofting up for 10 months, so it just needs squashing down a bit, which it will do. There's one roll packer and there's the other one. There's a few bits and pieces in those. Bay's just about ready to go. I have put the quick release pedals on him, so I just need to slip the pedals on. And I just need to pack him up with all this stuff. Now also I've got some stuff here. The straps I need, the other bits and pieces I'm going to have a think about whether I should take them or not. So that's it. I need to get packing, so I better get on with it.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha. Le cha-cha-cha. Le cha-cha-cha. Le cha-cha-cha. Apprenons le cha-cha-cha. Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.
Just riding down from Shelley. It's all downhill. Fabulous. Really pretty as well. Beautiful woodland. Mountain forest.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.